Number 3 on the review worksheet. A gardener has 240 feet of fence to construct 3 congruent, adjacent, rectangular plots. Like all the what's the word? Modifying words there to our plots. So we want 3 of them right next to each other, congruent, so they're all the same. And then how we label them may be different, so I'm going to pick a labeling system, and you can have a different one, and that's okay. I'm going to call all those sort of cross fences X's. And then here's where people do things very differently, and it's completely okay. You can call all of that distance Y if you want to. It's not how I usually work the problem. But if you want to call all of that Y, your, I guess, payoff is that the area equals X times Y. If you break it up into pieces, like I'm used to doing, then your area is 3 times X times Y. And either method is okay. It's just, especially if you're comparing with friends, like your area, all your numbers may look different even though you're heading down the same path and will have the same final answer. So there's our equation we want to optimize. It's got 2 variables in it. Don't like that. But I know there's 240 feet of fence. 4x's plus 6y's equals 240. Again, that equation would look different if you said all of that was y. Then you'd have 4x plus 2y equals 240. And maybe that's an easier way to do it. So either way is okay. Let's see. Solving for x or y, they both look about the same. Yeah, I don't know that it matters. I'll solve for x. So that's 240 minus 6y, and then we'll divide everybody by 4. So x equals 60 minus 3/2 y. So area is 3 times 60 minus 3/2 y times y. Definitely want to do some algebra first on this. So 180y minus 9 over 2 y squared. Yeah. And one more time with this picture. That equation will look very different if we made y the full length instead of the third length. All right, so got an area with one variable in it. So a prime 180 minus, oh, well, that's okay, that worked out. Minus 9y. Set that equal to 0. Y equals 20. Verify that that's a max, because we want to maximize this garden. So the second derivative would be negative 9. Well, that makes things easy. So it's always concave down, which means that y equals 20 is a max. So we're basically done with the calculus of this problem. Now let's do that final step of rereading the question and make sure we answer the right thing here. Find the total area. Well, the total area was 3 times x times y. Or, if I was really paying attention, let's grab it from here. The total area is 180 times y minus 9/2 times y squared. That'd be the easier way to go. You will have a calculator on the test, so you don't have to do this stuff by hand. 180 times 20 minus 9/2 times 20 squared equals 1800. And units, we were in feet, so feet squared. Again, make sure you answer the right question. Y equals 20. I mean, I'd give you most of the points on a free response because you did all the calculus right. But you'd lose a point or two if you didn't find the area on that one.